Cognitive Exchange, also known as CE, is a student-run, student-led global nonprofit organization dedicated to empower students across the globe. CE operates on the motto Students Helping Students and aims to bring the power of democratic thought through public speaking and debate to parts of our world that need it the most. Millions of children across developing nations are denied the access to a 21st century holistic education with important life skills such as public speaking and communication often being ignored. Cognitive Exchange was founded by Satyapreet Das back in 2012 when he was a student at Mira Loma High School. He excelled in speech and debate and wanted to share his passion with it with students around the globe. Satyapreet found that holistic 21st century education was severely lacking in developing nations, and he wanted to empower these students. Thus, CE uplifts students in these underserved and impoverished regions of the world, thereby enhancing their critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and networking skills.
Cognitive Exchange initially focuses on the fundamentals of speech and debate, and the instruction progresses to higher educational levels as students successfully complete and get certified from each class. There are currently 4 main curriculum levels of CE: Introduction to Speech, Advanced Speech, Introduction to Debate, and Advanced Debate. As students continue on to the upper level classes of CE and delve deeper into the world of speech and debate, they enhance their public speaking skills and are able to follow pathways to grow as individuals and thrive despite their poor socioeconomic situations.
Over the years, CE has grown exponentially in terms of the number of teachers trained and the schools that have been enrolled in the program. In regards to numbers, more than 5,000 students have graduated through our curriculum with the help of CE teachers since it originated. As more schools join hands with CE, more and more students are able to take part and learn crucial skills that will prove beneficial to their future lives and community improvement.
By teaching the basics of speech, student instructors are also able to apply their acquired skills in their everyday life interactions. Schools across the world may not readily have the same resources and facilities as other privileged areas, so it is our mission to provide knowledge to schools everywhere.
As an organization that is dedicated to spreading our influence, expansion is a key aspect of CE. The more we are able to stretch our reach to schools globally, the greater the number of students we are able to impact. We started out with just a handful of teachers from the Sacramento area in the United States and only 15 students in India. But as of 2019, CE was teaching over 1,500 students worldwide every week at over 70 schools, representing thousands of high schools and even college-level students.
Now CE is expanding to more and more nations to reach a wide variety of students, including refugees. As CE continues to grow, more and more students will be provided with the opportunity to acquire valuable skills like critical thinking, communicating, and speaking that will guide them to great successes, opening pathways for them to escape their poor socioeconomic situations to further attain a better life for themselves.
Cognitive Exchange is a global organization and regularly involves communication across several different time zones. In order to support this international schooling, CE utilizes video conferencing platforms such as Zoom and Google Meet to allow teachers to reach out to their students for their weekly classes. The teachers share a presentation crafted by Cognitive Exchange's curriculum team outlining the current lesson, which facilitates audible and visual learning.
The classes typically run for a duration of 1 hour, consisting of the teacher's lecture about the weekly assigned topic or speech skill, while also incorporating interactions between the students and teachers in form of mini activities or Socratic discussions for more hands-on learning. This ensures readiness for the final competition during the final week. These simple steps have proven to show success in elite and underprivileged schools in the past.
Our expansion team is currently in the process of expanding to more impoverished nations such as Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, and South America. This sub-team of our organization originated through our goals of reaching a larger number of students and helping them onto a path of holistic education. With their efforts through networking and partnerships, CE has been able to have a wide international influence with more students given opportunities to learn. This team reaches out to schools everywhere to partner with them and spread our instruction of speech and debate.
From the beginning, Students Helping Students has been our motto. This holds true to the entire Cognitive Exchange program. Please contact us to learn more about Cognitive Exchange, and we hope that you can join Cognitive Exchange to be part of our amazing and outstanding legacy, where students improve in English literacy and are cultivated and motivated to become world leaders. Thank you.